Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In today's video, let me show you a quick way on how you can use Shazam app on Android. First, make sure to download the Shazam app on Play Store. And once downloaded, click the open button. And here, you see a big button in the middle of the screen. Tap on it to start recognizing music or sound. You'll quickly see the specific music you're looking for. To view the lyrics, tap the lyrics icon at the top right corner of the screen. If you want to turn on Auto Shazam, long tap the button and it will activate. To see your recent Shazams and Shazam library, drag the screen up. To search for any artist, song, or lyrics, tap the search icon at the top right corner and search manually. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.